So what's up, guys? I just got my first set of Prismacolors. I believe they are the premieres. I'm about to unbox them. These were pretty expensive. They were around 150 on Amazon, but luckily I got them with my Amazon credit card special financing, so I paid over in 6 months. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, we're gonna about to unbox that. Look at that, it's right there, beautiful. This is my first time buying this set, so I am excited. I have never used Prismacolors. Well, I used some before, but not like a complete set. So let's check it out. I got my Huskies some harnesses because they were using a collar when I go walk them. But the collar, they were pulling on the collar constantly, and I didn't want them to choke or anything like that. So yeah, this is for one of our female Huskies. Her name is Nala. This is for my Husky. That's my girlfriend's Husky. Well, they're both ours, and this is for my Husky, Siberian Husky. Yeah, another harness. But here it is, guys. Whoa. The Prismacolor Premiere 72 set. Art markers. Take a little tour of what it says in the back. Professional artist quality colors, advanced ink formulations provide rich color saturation with smooth silky ink. Impressive color laydown. 4 different lines with draw with each. Pretty nice. That car, I want to learn how to draw that car, but I will soon. I guess this is the color blueprint right here. These are the colors that comes with. Pretty cool. It's nice. Let's see what it says. That guarantee. If your product does not perform properly, please return for replacement. What? This is a nice color set right here, but what I am disappointed at, and I don't know if it's you guys, but it's this. When I opened my package, it was like this. It's damaged. I don't know. Some of you guys may not make a big deal out of it, but I expect my package to be in in perfect order. Look at that. I'm kind of mad, but yeah. Either way, let's get to it. I'm using my keys. Right, so I get some box right here. So let's see. Guys, are you excited with me, guys? All right. Oh my God! Look at that. It's alright, man. I mean, I'm excited, but I can't tell if markers are missing or not. Like, does that look like a missing marker right there? That gap? Are the markers supposed to be like this? I'm not sure. This is my first time opening a box, but let's check that out right there. What is this? Is this Prisma? Is this like a freebie or what the hell is it? I got it from here, guys. Is this like a free marker or it's supposed to be right there? I don't know, but it looks like it's. Oh, here's another one. Weird. Another. Wait a minute. Prisma Premiere. I don't know. I don't like this. Yeah. This one I got from from here. And the last one that's a bit different is oh, look at that. This one right here. Metallic silver. Yeah, I already messed up my set. But yeah, guys, here it is. I'm about to count these markers in hopes they are 72. Because if not, I'm gonna have to return this whole thing to back to Amazon. But yeah, stay in touch. I will be making a video using these. I'm gonna check out how they work, how they interact with paper, with regular paper, recycled paper, how to blend them in, and that kind of stuff. So yeah, just stay tuned.